Hi, my name is Mickey. I came from Australia for a hair transplant in Istanbul. I got this very beautiful clinic, Grace Touch Clinic in Istanbul, who helped me from the start to the end of the journey of my hair transplant. This was the best experience I had from point A, from the pickup from airport to hotel and then to clinic. Transportation was good, hotel was good, everything was very nice. Doctors were very friendly, cooperative. The procedure went very well. I can't feel any pain, which is the most thing, which is everyone is scared about. But yeah, I can't feel any pain now, and it should be relieving soon. So yeah, Istanbul is a beautiful country for the people who think different, like Israel or something. Nah, it's nothing like that. It's a beautiful country, friendly people, everyone's so cooperative with you. So why not come here? So the doctor has planted the seeds. Let's grow it up. Thank you.